What's the meaning of coachwork? Coachwork. Coachwork.
Coachwork. Coachwork. Coachwork refers to the body of a vehicle, particularly one that has been custom designed and built by skilled craftsmen. The term traditionally referred to horse-drawn carriages, but now applies to automobiles as well. Coachwork is often highly detailed and tailored to the specific needs and preferences of the owner. It can range from simple and functional to ornate and luxurious, using materials such as wood, metal, leather, and fabric. Beautifully crafted coachwork can be a work of art, demonstrating the skill and creativity of the craftsman who produced it.